Are you tired of manually managing contracts and wasting valuable time? Say goodbye to that hassle with Oneflow for Zapier. We're going to have a look at how you can automate your contract management between HiBob, Oneflow, and Slack. We want to create a Zap, which is triggered whenever a new employee is created in HiBob. Then, we'll add the actions that we want to follow. First, create a contract inside Oneflow. We'll add the new employee as the participant, as you want them to sign the contract. And finally, we'll add another action that will trigger an email to notify the hiring manager to review the contract before it gets sent to the employee. Don't miss out on any actions. Thanks to Oneflow for Zapier, you can also connect Slack to the workflow and get notified when the contract is signed. We want to create a Zap which is triggered whenever the contract status is changed in Oneflow. In this particular case, when a contract is signed. Then, we'll add an action to make sure the contract details are fetched, and another one to send a message to the Slack channel.